In this question, let x be a discrete random variable with binomial distribution. X is binomial with n and p, n being the number of trials, p being the probability of success. The mean and the standard deviation of this distribution are equal. Given that p is between 0 and 1, the smallest number of trials n such that p is less than or equal to 0.01 is one of these. So the way to do this is to use this bit of information. The mean and the standard deviation are equal. That's the starting point. So the mean is equal to np, and the standard deviation is equal to the square root of the variance, and the variance is np times 1 minus p. So if you let them equal each other, so np equals the square root of np bracket 1 minus p, then square both sides and you get np squared is equal to np by 1 minus p, and then divide both sides by np, and you end up with np equals 1 minus p, and you can divide by np, so np cannot equal 0 because that would mean that either n, the number of trials, is 0, or p, the probability of success, is 0. And they've told you up here that p is greater than 0 but not equal to 0. So that means you can divide by np, and then from here, and you're after the value of n, so the next step is to divide both sides by p, and you end up with 1 minus p on p, and the next step is n is equal to 1 on p minus p on p, which is equal to 1 on p minus 1. So now they've told you that p must be less than or equal to 0.01. So if you let p equal 0.01, put that value in, and then 1 divided by 0.01 is 100. 100 minus 1 is equal to 99. So if p was a number smaller than that, let's say 0.001, make it a nice easy number, then n would equal 1 on 0.001 minus 1 equals 1 on that, which equals 1,000, and then minus 1 equals 999. So that means that any number or value of p less than that is going to make the number of trials bigger than the value of 99, which would mean that 99 would be the smallest number of trials such that p is less than or equal to 0.01. So that value of n would make the value of p equal to 0.01, and that would be the smallest number of trials that you could have that would make p less than or equal to 0.01. So that's answer D, which is the right answer for this one.